Finding information when and where you need it can sometimes be difficult. Let's look at how Therefore can help you find your information. A common way people like to search is full text, like they do on the internet. So, for example, if the name of the company is known, you can simply search for it. Searches can also be done by specifying index values. For example, if we are looking for a specific project and know the first part of the project number, we can type this in and then use a wildcard operand. Other operands are also available. In addition, we could further filter the search if we know the client number. Here you will notice the name is automatically filled out. This is because this information is sourced from a database, and the two fields are dependent on each other. Furthermore, we could filter the search using internal file parameters. For example, we could reduce the results set to project documents created during a specific time period. It is also possible to save searches for future use. These could either be saved globally for all authorized users or just locally. The results hit list can be dynamically searched. It can be rearranged, and it can be grouped by fields. It is also possible to use multiple tabs to have multiple searches open at the same time. Icons in the hit list provide additional information regarding the state of the document, such as if it has recently been saved, modified, or if it is currently checked out. In addition, an icon shows what type of file is contained in the document, or if the document consists of multiple file types. Below the hit list, an information pane lists document info and also provides a document preview. Users can also customize their workspaces using the Favorites pane. For example, we can add the search we saved earlier to our favorites. Perhaps you don't want to open the Therefore Navigator, but instead just want to find your documents directly from Windows Explorer. A Therefore Tree View can be configured, which allows you to browse through and open documents directly in the Therefore viewer. A user may also want to find related documents, even if they are stored in different categories. Therefore offers 3 ways of doing this. Firstly, this can be done by automatic linking based on a common index field. Here, for example, you can see the project number is common. Secondly, we could build a cross-category search that searches across all project categories. Therefore also allows related categories to be bound together in a case definition. So instead of having separate categories, we could create a project definition that contains all the project categories. Now, if we want to search for the project number, we can quickly find all the related project information. Let's now have a look at editing documents and ensuring version control. The Therefore viewer provides the ability to edit index data as well as document contents with a suitable installed program. And annotations are possible with TIFF and PDF files. PDFs can also be signed with a personal certificate. A Therefore document can consist of a number of different files of all different formats. The internal viewer allows over 400 document types to be viewed, even if a matching application is not installed on the PC. Additional files can easily be added, and users with permission can export and send files. You can also easily see what permissions different users have on the document. Of course, you may not always have access to the installed Therefore client software. For this case, Therefore Web Access provides a very similar experience to the installed client. For example, let's look for New England Construction, as was shown previously. It is also important to consider mobile devices. The Therefore mobile app runs on iOS, Android, and Windows platforms. It allows users to save documents, including photos, to Therefore, to view documents, edit index data, and to take part in workflows. This is a good time to have a quick look at the configuration of some of the search options we have just seen. Let's open the Therefore Solution Designer. This is where the system is designed, everything from categories, to storage policies, to workflows, and much more. Let's open the project category that was previously displayed. It consists of a number of different index fields, and as you can see, a wide variety of different types are supported. The documents in this category were linked to those in the signed contracts using the project number. A search was also performed using a tree view in Windows Explorer. Here you can see how this was configured. We also saw how the project categories could be bound together using a case definition. Finally, we took a look at document permissions. These can be easily defined on objects, and inheritance is also supported. With Therefore, you can quickly find the information you need from your desktop or on the go.